Alright people, we are back. What is going on? Happy Saturday. It's Saturday when I'm filming this video. I am going to be a little late on this video. By the way, shout out Lakers. Big dub last night, first in the West. You already know. But anyways, getting into today's video, I do have another sneaker pickup that finally showed up. It was from last Saturday. Everyone has a video about these, so I'm going to be real quick about this. Just because there's a lot of videos out there, but I just wanted to give you guys my thoughts and opinions because the shoe was pretty controversial. And I finally got it in, but before we get into the shoe, please hit that like and subscribe, and go follow me on Instagram. See how I style my sneakers and outfits. That link will be down in the description below. But yeah, let's just get right into it. I don't want to make this too long because there's a lot of videos out there. I just want to give my thoughts. So they are the Shattered Backboard 3.0 Air Jordan 1s. And this crumbled patent leather, you can call it. By the way, I don't even think this is an official Shattered Backboard shoe because there's no Shattered Backboard insole like there are in the other two Shattered Backboards. And Nike never called it a Shattered Backboard. Us, like the sneakerheads, just kind of like gave it that name because of the black and orange color scheme. But yeah, you guys already see black and orange, and it has this pale vanilla bottom. Now, I don't like the material of this shoe. That's my thoughts. I don't like the material, but I love the color blocking. That's why I'm so torn, because I'm a sucker for orange. I love orange, like, just in general on color. I don't have too many orange sneakers. I don't have the Easy Clays. I wear those quite often just because I like the colorway. And same thing with this. Like, I love this vanilla colorway. I love the vanilla bottom, too. That just goes with the orange. It's just like a pumpkin spice latte. For Air Jordan 1s. That should have been the nickname. The Pumpkin Spice Latte Air Jordan 1s with some grease in it. But, yeah, I just want to give my thoughts. Honestly, I will have to say I don't think I would pay resale for this shoe 100%. I do not think it's worth resale. And by the way, just full disclaimer, I'm not sure how anybody else's pairs look. I'm not going to go on a rant right now, but I was kind of pissed at the quality that these came in. There was a lot of glue marks on mine. I did have to clean them off. So I did get most of them off. I used some Crep Protect and get these off when they came. They do come with orange laces. But once again, like, the quality control issues, like, I get this shoe's $160, so it's quite cheaper on, like, this wasn't like a $200 shoe. But once again, like, it just looked like they rushed production. Like, right when I took it out, I just saw all these, like, glue marks all over the shoe. Luckily, they came out, so like I said, it's not really that big of a deal. If you have a shoe cleaner and your shoes come with glue marks, usually that will take it out. You just kind of gotta scrub and get in there. But yeah, overall, I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. I'm not sure if I'm even gonna keep these. I'm torn because I really like the colorway. However, I don't really like the material, and yeah, that's pretty much where I stand. I probably rate these like a 6.3 out of 10. Like I said, it's not bad, but it's not great, and just based on all the other orange and black Jordan 1s, it's kind of a disappointment. Like I said, if these would have been regular leather, these would be like $800 sneakers right now. Not that resale price really matters, but if they were leather, these things would be probably shoe of the year, no joke. Especially if they threw the Shattered Backboard insole in it to make it an official Shattered Backboard. It would have been probably one of the best shoes of the year. Other than that, it's kind of just in the middle of the pack. I mean, if you're like me and like orange sneakers, I guess you just might have to get away with like dealing with this patent leather. But that's all I got for today. The Fearless ones did drop today. I should be having that video soon. I did get those on Nike, so I'll have another pair coming in. But yeah, I'll give you guys my thoughts on that one, and then I'll compare them, and then I'll decide which one I want to keep for my personal. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!